Yo, what's up, fam? Hey, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, y'all know what to do, man. Go ahead and subscribe to your boy. Show love, support. I appreciate you. So today's video, man, I want to get straight to it. I want you to understand, is this the best time to get into the medical field / x-ray in 2025? And the answer is yes, absolutely 110, 20, 30%. That 2025, man, you guys are in control. You guys are in the, driver's seat. There's so many opportunities and so many incentives that are out there, for new techs, new nurses, whatever you decide to go for. Surgical tech, nuclear medicine tech, radiology tech, nursing, PTA, coding and billing, whatever you choose to do. Now, I'll be honest with you. I don't know the medical, billing and coding and all that comes with everything that I'm gonna say on here. But for the majority of the medical careers, as far as nursing, PTA, radiology tech, respiratory tech, it kind of applies to all those. Okay. So the first reason why it's a great idea to get into medical field in 2025 is this. Yes, the jobs are unlimited, man. There's so many jobs, so many openings that if you go to Indeed.com and you type in, for instance, radiology tech, and type in California, you're gonna see how many jobs are listed on there, and you're gonna be like, wow, that's crazy. A lot of jobs, which means that it comes with variety, which is nice. Because you don't have to sit there and settle for whatever your hospital has to offer or whatever. They're like, oh no, we only have this certain shift and that's it, you're done. Like, when I say we need help, we need help. When I say there's so many jobs, there's so many jobs that you can literally kind of choose your own schedule because they just need people so bad. You can choose 7 to 5, 7 to 3:30. You can do 312s throughout the week. You can do, when I say 312s, you can do 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., 8 p.m. to 8 a.m., 8 a.m. to 8 p.m., 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. You can do 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. Whatever you honestly want to do, you can do, because every shift needs some kind of help, and that's nice. You're in the passion, you're in the driver's seat now, so you can kind of be like, you know what, I want to do this, and not to go with, egos and be like, oh, this is what I'm going to do. Like, no, respectfully, of course. But yeah, you're in the driver's seat, man. Whatever you feel like the shift you want to do, you could do, because we do need people. So that's definitely something that it's a plus on your side. Now, the second one is this. Oh man, the bonuses. And well, before I get to that, I meant to say this one, which is the cross-training possibilities you get. This is the thing. So we're so short-staffed in CT, MRI, that once you go to school for 2 years and you do your AR, you do your 2 years, you sit for your board and you become an ART tech, then, you become RT. Some places are so desperate that they need CT techs and MRI techs that the director or the radiology manager or even a CT lead or X-ray lead will come to you and be like, hey, I know you just graduated, but are you at all interested in becoming a CT tech? And by you going to clinicals during becoming a student, during your student years, and you go to clinicals, you see what CT techs do. So you're gonna make a decision. You'll be like, man, I don't know if I want to be that busy, and or you want to stay, into X-ray where there's more help, there's a little bit more cushion, there's a little bit more downtime that you can hang out, whatever the case may be. Or if they offer you free education and you're like, yeah, man, I'll go to CT, I'll get my CT license, and the more knowledge you know, the better. The more knowledge you have, the better that is for you, because that just adds value. And you add value to that hospital by adding value to yourself. So that's awesome. You know what I'm saying? When I graduated school, you couldn't even step foot in a CT room without being CT certified. So that's a big deal for hospitals to offer CT cross training or MRI cross training right off rip. Like that's not heard of anymore. Or back then. Now it's common and it's nice. And what's the best thing about it? That it's in your advantage that they don't even have you sign any kind of like agreement or contract They're like, hey, come learn CT. As soon as you learn CT, say it takes you 6 months to a year, and you take your boards and you're certified, you can be like, peace, I'm gone. You know. Excuse me. Still find a little cold, but yeah, I mean, you could be done and you can leave. So that's the beauty thing about it. Another thing is that the bonuses that are giving you guys are amazing. You know, 25,000, 50,000, 15,000. They come with two-year terms, but you're guaranteed a job for 2 years, and you get money, and you're getting paid more an hour. That's it. This is the time to get into the medical field if you're ready. All right, guys? Y'all already know I got you. Hey, remember to subscribe, like, share. I got y'all, guys.